Terraform is a tool for describing infrastructure as code, not scripts, not ClickOps, not manual configuration. With Terraform, you write declarative configuration files. These files describe what you want your infrastructure to look like, and Terraform figures out how to make reality match that description. You do not tell Terraform how to create things step by step. You tell it what should exist. That distinction matters. Terraform is not a programming language in the traditional sense. It looks like one. It has variables, expressions, and functions. But Terraform does not execute logic the way Python or JavaScript does. There are no imperative loops that run. There is no flow control that changes behavior at runtime. Instead, Terraform evaluates your configuration and builds a dependency graph. It maps out every resource and how they connect. Terraform is a map maker, not a coder. Terraform is also not a configuration management tool. It does not log into servers to install software. It does not manage running processes. It does not patch operating systems. Tools like Ansible or Chef operate inside machines. Terraform operates outside at the infrastructure level. Terraform builds the house. Configuration management moves the furniture in. Terraform is stateful, and this is intentional. Terraform keeps the state file. This state is Terraform's memory. It detects drift. It plans safe changes, and it avoids recreating resources that already exist. Terraform is not guessing. It is comparing your intent with its memory. State is not optional. It is the heart of the engine. Terraform is provider agnostic. AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, but also Kubernetes, databases, and SaaS platforms. The syntax stays consistent. The provider handles the complexity. Now, what Terraform is not. Terraform is not magic. It does not fix bad architecture. It does not enforce security by default. Terraform enforces consistency, not correctness. Correctness is your responsibility. Think of Terraform as a contract between intent and reality. You describe the contract, Terraform enforces it. That is all, and that is powerful.